start this show, but I need all the producers, I need all the artists, all the hip-hop heads to come in front of the stage. We're about to go in heavy right now. As you know, Native Instruments is the sponsor of the stage. Native Instruments sponsor the stage right now. We have somebody special about to do an incredible demo. The winner of our producer showcase gets this machine micro from Native Instruments. My man Justin, Justin from Mr. Invisible. If you haven't seen this guy go crazy and do his thing, you're missing something, so pay attention. Clap your hands to my homie Justin from Mr. Invisible, y'all. Let's go!
Alright, word up. I want to do some routines and shit when I answer any questions. How many of y'all got machine? Anybody got it already? You got it, you got it? Who's thinking about getting it? Anybody thinking about getting it? Right here, right here, right here? Alright, cool. Cool, I'm going to go ahead and do a couple, and then we'll talk about how I go about creating routines and all that.